Hey everybody, it's Angie and welcome to HotandFlashy. In today's video I was going to talk about my new hair care routine because it has had a shake-up lately. You guys have noticed a difference, I've noticed a difference, and you guys have been giving me the most lovely comments below my videos and asking how I've been styling it or what products I've been using that has made the change. And so I thought we would go over everything today because there is quite a lot of different things going on here. Let's start with my stylist at the salon because I got a new stylist. I go to the same salon. I go to Salon Capri at Legacy Place in Dedham here in Massachusetts. The stylist that I see there is named Taylor. I used to see Anya, but last time I called up to make an appointment, they said that Anya had left the company, and I said, well, who do you suggest? And they're like, well, she's sending most of her clients to Taylor. So I'm like, all right, I'll go see Taylor. I asked her to use the same color formulas as Anya has used, so it's pretty much the same, although I think she does my root color a little bit darker than Anya did, and she does my highlights a little bit differently. You guys know I was having some menopausal hair loss the last year or so. I noticed I was getting kind of a male pattern baldness thing going on right here. If I pulled up my hair, I would have this big, almost like bald patch. And it was really making my hairline look a little weird where I didn't even want to wear my hair in a ponytail anymore. I didn't like how it looked pulled back. So I started trying to use minoxidil, which seemed like the quickest and easiest solution to me. And I did a couple of videos on that. I will link them right here if you want to see them. First I used Nioxin, then I used Rogaine. I also used the generic minoxidil from Costco. They all seem to work about the same, but my problem with them is that they made my hair feel gross and dirty and made it really flat and everything. And I think that is part of the difference now, is that I'm not using the minoxidil anymore. And I stopped using it over 3 months ago, well, probably around 3 months ago, because I started testing out this laser headband. Here it is. It's called the Hair Max Laser Band 82, and this is an all laser light show headband that you put on your hair, and in 6 months it's supposed to help to regrow your hair for certain types of pattern baldness. And I'm about just over 2 months in on it, and I love it that I don't have the sticky, gooey, dirty feeling from the minoxidil in my hair. And I feel like I'm seeing a difference in my hair already. I am going to be doing a full 6-month trial on it, so my final video won't be until like October or November sometime. But Hair Max did give me a discount code that expires on July 1st, and so a lot of people have been emailing asking if I'll do an update to let them know because they want to buy one before the discount code expires. And so I am going to do an update on that later in June, hopefully right before the 1st of July, so you can get in there if you did want to buy one. For my at-home hair care routine, I have changed a few products. eSalon is a company that I've been working with for a couple of years now. I use their hair color to color my roots at home, and I love that product. And over the last year, I have switched from using store-bought shampoo and conditioner to using the eSalon shampoo and conditioner and a bunch of their other products. I was using their Gliding Glory and Easy Glider shampoo and conditioner, and I loved that shampoo, absolutely loved it. But then recently eSalon sent me another box of stuff to try, and now I've switched from that shampoo to loving this shampoo, which is their Repair shampoo and conditioner. And right when I started using these, plus another styling thing that I'll tell you about in a second, is when all the compliments on my hair started coming in. So I'm not sure if it's from the shampoo or from the glossing cream or from the Hair Max or from the color. It could be a combination of all these things, but I know you guys want to know like the whole story, so I'm giving you the whole story. So this is a sulfate-free shampoo that is supposed to help with damaged, stressed hair, which mine certainly is from all the, I don't bleach it super blonde, but it does get bleach on it to lighten it, and, from sun and everything, and all the heat styling that I do. So I'm really loving this combination. eSalon is currently offering a buy one, get one on these guys, so if you wanted to try them, you could like buy the shampoo, get the conditioner for free, and the code for that is AngieBogo, and I'll put a link in the information box below to the eSalon site so you can check those out. Also, I do have an ongoing discount code with eSalon that is Angie, that gets you $5 off any non-color hair care product. They also have 50% off for first-time hair color users. So if you ever wanted to try to color your roots at home yourself, which is what I do every other time and it works out great for me, you would use the code HotandFlashy at checkout. So that's my shampoo and conditioner. Then when I come out of the shower, I'm still using the same like kind of leave-in conditioner that I've been using for a couple of years. It's the Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Smoothing Hydra Gelée. I love this guy. I do 5 pumps of this on my fingertips and I run it through my hands and then I run it through my hair, kind of the midsections and the top, because this has a little bit more styling hold and control. So I put that all through my hair, really work that in good. And that was pretty much the only styling product that I used to use. But just about a month ago, I noticed this product sitting in the back of my cabinet in the bathroom and I was like, maybe I'll give that a try. This is the Fekkai Brilliant Glossing Styling Cream, and this guy I've had for a couple of years. I don't even know where it came from. I probably got it at like Marshall's or something. It's not expensive. I think I used it once and I put in way too much and it just made my hair greasy, so I never used it again. But with summer being here and the humidity, I was feeling like my hair was a little frizzier than normal. So I saw this in there and I was like, hey, come on out, let me give you a try. I used the right amount and I only put it like from my ears down just to like help the ends look a little bit neater and put together. And boy, did it work. And I don't know what about it is about this stuff or this combination of things, but it's really been magic for my hair. And then I do a standard blowout with the round brush where, you know, it comes out okay, but not fantastic. And then I usually hit it with one of my hot curling tools. I like the Beach Waver a lot, but lately I've been using my InStyler to do like my Beachy Waves. And you guys have really liked how my hair is coming out with the InStyler and have been asking me a lot for a tutorial. So I'm doing the tutorial today, but let me just show you my InStyler quickly. I have like the OG model, and they've come out with so many different ones of these. This one only spins the barrel in one direction. Now there are ones that spin the barrel in 2 directions. There are ones that will take your hair from wet to dry while you do it, and then there's a new one that, like, I guess blows air out of it somehow, that also dries your hair while you curl it. You know, like, I love my other hair tools, but this is the one that has really stood the test of time. Like my Beach Waver, I still love. I use that kind of interchangeably with this, but that's more of like a one-purpose tool, where this one you can use it to like flatten your hair or just flip up the ends, or you can get Beachy Waves with it. And I've loved this since the day I got it. Even if I haven't been using it for maybe a month or so, I always go back to it. It's the thing that I travel with. It is my indispensable travel tool. So if you haven't gotten one yet, maybe consider getting it. And if you have one, I think a lot of you guys do have it because so many people just wanted a tutorial with it. So let's go up to my bathroom and I'll show you how I got this hair look with it today. I hope this is kind of the tutorial that you were looking for. As you know, I have absolutely no control over my hair. It has a total mind of its own. It does whatever it wants. I have my InStyler here. I put it on the 2nd setting, so I've already got it on. And you guys know how it works. You close it together and it starts to rotate. So where I start is usually in the front. And I just take a front section of my hair from the front right to my ear and pull that straight out. So first I just do one pass to flatten and defrizz, and I do that all the way around my head. And then the next step will be to add the Beachy Waves. So I start again with that same front section. And this time, instead of holding the InStyler up and down like this, I'm going to put it up and over my head so that the hot part of the barrel is towards the back. And then I'm going to just wrap my hair into it and then clamp it. And I hold it there for about 5 or 10 seconds and then let it out. And I want these to be really nice, loose waves. So I'm just taking big sections from all the way from the top to the bottom. I'm not doing sectioning. And then we're going to go through and make some tighter waves at the top. So I'm going to start back over on this side, and I'm just going to grab a small little section right up here, just the top hair. I don't want to do the very front because that already has a nice little wave to it. And I'm going to do the same thing where I hold it up over my head and wrap that in and let it out. And if you want that to be a little bit more of a curl that stays, you can just kind of curl it like that so that it will dry in place. And that's pretty much how I do it. If I want it to look curlier, I'll go back in and recurl the ends. But I like to leave the ends straight a lot. So if you want the ends to be a little bit flipped, you just clamp your hair in and then twist your wrist and pull the hair through. And then you'll get a little bit of a curly end. And then I take my hairspray, which is Soy Touchable Hold, Big Sexy Hair. And there it is. So that is everything that I had to share with you about the changes in my hair. I hope you found the video helpful and informative. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. As always, everybody, I thank you for your time and really appreciate your watching. So I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.